Welcome to my channel. This is the first video that I'm making in English. I hope you like it. Today I'm gonna make a double patty burger. For what I need, just New York steak strip that I'm gonna grind, bacon, American cheese, red onion, white onion, mayonnaise, ketchup, a little bit of cilantro, lettuce, brioche bun, and I'm gonna be doing a side of papaya. You can do whatever you want. You can do french fries, chips, I don't know, it's up to you. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. If you want to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. We're gonna start cutting our meat in small pieces so we can grind it. Now we got our ground beef ready. We're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, paprika, ketchup, salt, onions, and cilantro. As you can see, our meat is very firm, very nice. We're gonna start making the patty burgers. We're gonna start cooking our bacon. Once the bacon starts throwing some grease on your pan, we're gonna start getting our patty ready so we can cook them in here so it can soak all that patty and the flavor. We add a little bit of salt. We're gonna wait for bacon to cook, and then we're gonna cook our burgers to medium rare, and then we're gonna add our cheese. Our burger is almost about to be medium rare, so we're gonna add our cheese now. While we wait for the beef patties, we're gonna get our buns ready with the mayonnaise and the ketchup, onions and lettuce. We have a burger ready. We're gonna try it and taste it. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.